Wow, this is Hurricane Sandy. I don't even know what time it is. Hang on. What time is it? 6? This is Hurricane Sandy around 6 o'clock. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's raining. It's not that hard. It is raining. The wind's bad. That tree over there looks like it's about to go down. That boat has actually went into the yard a couple of times. We've had to do that. Animals are just running under the houses and seeking shelter. No sign of life anywhere out here except for nothing really. Roads are all deserted. Stuff being blown away. Yeah, I'm gonna make another one in about 2 hours. 2 hours, another video will be on. Hear that? That's the wind ticket. Oh, okay. Yeah. Wow. That one is powerful. I'm actually waiting for a tree to go down. Sounds like a plane. I don't know. Alright, gotta go. 2 hours.